good to see you back in the Simba kitchen, where we make mouth-watering magic happen, courtesy of Mzansi's beloved chip brand. I'm Narisha, aka Rish, and today we'll be looking at a recipe that's as warm as a comforting hug and as South African as a game of cricket on a Saturday afternoon. Creamy cheddar cheese biscuits.
Bursting with cheesy goodness at its core, these biscuits are ideal appetizers for any occasion. Think of them as the ultimate tea time snack, a quick treat for the kids after school, or even a lekker addition to a picnic basket for a day out in the Cape Winelands. Speaking of which, these biscuits are a taste of pure South African joy. Whether you're enjoying them as a solo snack or sharing them with your friends and family, these biscuits are a guaranteed crowd pleaser.
So, if this recipe is making your taste buds sing prematurely and your stomach roar for joy, let's get to cooking.
For the ingredients, you'll need butter, cake flour, grated cheddar cheese, and finally, a packet of creamy cheddar Simba chips. First things first, pour your creamy cheddar chips into a Ziploc bag and crush them with a rolling pin. You don't want your biscuits to be lumpy, so the chips need to be finely crushed. In a large bowl, add the butter, flour, grated cheddar cheese, and crushed chips. Now, it's time to get your hands dirty. Mix everything together until it forms a dough. This part is fun, and it's a great way to get the kids involved. Roll the dough into small balls and place them onto a baking tray. Use a fork or your palm to flatten each ball slightly. Pop the biscuits into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Or until they're golden brown and perfectly cooked. Check it, foodies! Your golden brown, cheesy, and utterly delicious creamy cheddar cheese biscuits are ready to be munched on. The perfect snack for any occasion, whether you're picnicking, entertaining Ma Aggie, or enjoying a quick nibble while watching your favorite show.
Now let me tell you, these biscuits aren't just about taste, it's about heritage. Simba Chips has been a mainstay of South African life for generations, making memories and creating smiles. Here at the Simba Kitchen, we strive to celebrate that legacy with simple, delicious recipes that bring people together. On that note, let us know if you have any recipes that you'd like to share in the comments below, or if you tried any of ours. We would love to see the results. So do please post your pics on our Facebook page. Link in the description below. Also, let us know what your favorite flavor of Simba Chips is. That way, we can whip something up just for you in a future episode. As always, I'm Rish, and it's goodbye from the Simba Kitchen for now. Keep roaring, foodies!